Hello, and welcome back to the workshop. Today, we're recreating something truly magical, 3D hologram viewer. We're making this just in time for the holidays so we can watch incredible, floating 3D videos of our Christmas elf right here in our own home. I recommend something like a Ferrero Rocher box or any other small candy box. You can use any transparent lid from rice paper, for example. Now, for the main body, we need a box to serve as the viewer frame. I am using a standard Amazon size 20 because they're easy to find. We need to cut along the back side of the box. This will help us fold our screen. Just cut a little bit along the folds, it will be much easier to manage the box. Yes, just like that. Next, we need to cut the hole for the actual viewing screen. Make the cut long enough so that the full screen of your smartphone can be seen through the opening. But be aware, do not cut the hole too large. You need the edges of the box to hold your phone firmly so it doesn't fall down into the frame. The next crucial step is contrast. We need to line the inside with black or dark paper. This is essential for the 3D effect to work. Now for the fun part, making our elf TV look cute and fancy. Grab some wrapping paper and start gluing. It doesn't matter what you use, you can draw on it. Use plain paper. Use some alcohol to clean the surface. Time to test our elf TV.